guys, today's wig is from Subellahair. This is my first time trying a wig from Subellahair, so we're about to check her out. This is how the wig will look straight out of the box. Look how gorgeous and bouncy that is. It's very soft. This is how she's looking. This is the hairline. The lace is pre-cut, as you can see, and the hairline is also pre-plucked. This is how the inside looks. There are absolutely no combs inside the cap. There is an adjustable elastic band here. And then there are no adjustable straps. All you get is the elastic band. So this is their 7x5 lace closure unit. It is number 33, which is like a reddish brown. It's a pretty color. It is in 26 inches and the density is 180%. And it is body wave. It also mentions that this is HD transparent Swiss lace. So that's pretty cool. So this is how she looks on my head. The fit is okay. I adjusted the elastic band. I might have to adjust her a little more. It feels pretty snug. You are able to wear this glueless, but I'm not gonna wear it glueless personally. Okay, yeah. So I adjusted it just a little bit more, and it's pretty good. Just since there's no adjustable straps and no comb on the bottom, it's just open right here, and it sits on my ears, as you can see there. I do like the color though, so I will say that. This is how the hairline looks. I will add some of my foundation inside the lace, just so it can help with the melting. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna show you guys the parting space. It is a 7x5 lace closure. You can part there. Here you can do like a cute little look too if you wanted to, you know. And this is in 26 inches, so this is where it sits on me. It's really long. It's like down here. I love this length. 26 is like my favorite length. I'm 5 foot. So it touches the tip of my butt. Super cute. So I went ahead and hot combed her flat off camera, and I also put in some foundation inside the lace. At this point, I'm just gonna install her. This should be pretty quick because the lace is already cut for me. So yeah, just stay tuned. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I decided to do a side part. Did some baby hairs and some wand curls. This wig is from Subellahair. This is their 7x5 lace closure ready to go wig. This is a glueless wig. This is their reddish brown body wave. It is in 26 inches and the density is 180%. So even though this is a ready to go wig, I did want to play with it and create a style out of it. I love how it came out. The hair is gorgeous. It can hold a curl. Super cute. The only two things I did not like about this unit was the fact that it didn't have any combs. I always use the comb in the back to go under my ponytail so I can have a little more security. And that you can see some tracks right there. So if I would have done a middle part, that would have been hidden. So I didn't really think about that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But other than those two things, the hair itself is gorgeous. It's soft. It was easy to style. The color, beyond beautiful. And of course, I loved the fact that the lace was pre-cut. So besides me wanding the hair, it would have been a quicker install, like really quick. And on their website, you guys, it says this wig is $149 with code S81. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can use it. Originally, it says $230.22. So if you want this wig, use that discount code, girl. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys are interested in this exact unit, I will leave everything down below, and then make sure you guys use that discount code S81 so you can get that discount. And yeah, I know this video was quick, but if you did enjoy, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new, please hit that subscribe button for more wig videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.